Dude, he can't be too far, man. He doesn't know his way. Everything's out of Sanford and Orlando.
All right, as they continue searching there, let's go back to Toledo, Ohio, back to Detective Ryan Klump and
right
Detective Tyberski there. This is the guy who had all of the cash, and they suspected he might have eaten some crack.
Sir, I just grabbed the car from him. I'm just living in his house. He stay on Brock. Yeah. Brock off Alexis and Brock off Seaport.
Okay.
Let's see if I can see. I can see what I'm doing.
I ain't checked the fuels all in the car, sir.
You're eating Mentos?
Yes. Dude.
I don't believe you. Okay? Like, we're the gang unit. Like, we do this all the time. Okay?
Okay.
So, and we have people eat dope all the time on us. That ripped baggie with all that white stuff in there.